everybody, this is Sharifa Just Nailed It, and welcome to SheModern Saturday. Today we're going to be doing some Here Kitty Kitty. I have a stamping plate if I can get them to pick up. I can't get them. Here we go. And it says right here, Here Kitty Kitty. And if I see a cat outside, that's what I yell outside. Here Kitty Kitty. So I just thought it was appropriate. And I got some cats down here that I might use. I'm not sure which ones yet, but that's what we're doing. This plate is OMJD24. Let's see if you can see this plate. Really cute plate. Got it off Amazon in a pack. This is an Uber chick, and I don't know if it's 2601. Come down here to the bottom. And go upwards so you can see everything. But up here at the top is where the kitty stuff is. Right in here, this part. From here. So that's what we're going to be doing. So I want to use this black cat head right here. But I want to put it on the thumbnail, but like maybe 3 times. So yes, that's what we're going to do if I can find my stamper out. Alright, there we go. There is our reinforced jelly stamper by SheModern. It is now available again on the website, SheModern.com, so go check that out. Use my code at checkout, nailed it 67, all caps. Well, lower caps will work too, but nailed it 67. That'll save yourself 10% off your bill. And who doesn't want to save 10% off their bill on SheModern, right? Shoot. I have a problem picking these plates up. These bigger ones, I'm not used to such a large plate. So we're going to spray, run our stamper over it, take out the excess that we do not want on the nail. Line it up where we want. Here, kitty, kitty. Here, oh, look what I dug out. My cotton claw. So, yeah. I knew I had one, and I knew it wasn't too far from me. So I dug it out. I'm hearing some strange noises. Why are these strange noises? I don't know if it's in my house, outside my house. It's very hard to tell. There we go, we got 2 kitties so far. Always clean your stamper. Keep it nice and fresh. Oh, I'm so loving this. That'll so save on my mayonnaise, won't it? Got this hand done. Did this the other day. This is really super cool. Super, super easy to do. I use pigments that I got from Tino. So you're going to want to check that out. It's a video that that went up the other day. Thursday. So go check that. Oh, let me get this. Yes, I just used my finger to clear my stamper. There's our 3 kitties. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Here, kitty, kitty. Here, kitty, kitty. That is so funny. Oh. Here is my index nail, which I already watercolored. That's going to be my bling nail. I wanted to get that done and out of the way. Next we are going to do, we're going to skip. So I want to do everything I'm doing off this plate, I think. So we're going to take Here, kitty, kitty. You probably hear me say that 50 times through this video. Here, kitty, kitty. kitty, kitty. I don't have a cat. I'm a dog person, kinda. I like little dogs. Here, kitty, kitty. Should have put it down lower. My son, oh my god, re-wet my cotton claw. We're thinking about, well, we know we have to move, as I've told everybody. You know, we were going to rent another house. We have an appointment to look at one later this afternoon. But my son he kind of wants to buy a house because he says he doesn't want to keep renting and all he's got to show for is a car. And I can understand where he's coming from. He's 31 years old. He wants something to show for all his hard work. So, he's been getting in his boss's ear, who is a very smart lady. She is going to sit down with my son and talk about banking and applying for a loan. Got to do that first and foremost. So where were we? Here, kitty, kitty. And I want to put, I think, a cat underneath this one. I'm not certain yet. Oh my goodness. I'm knocking everything. I'm just knocking everything over. I think my dog is about. So, we're going to dive into the kitties that I know we're going to use. So we're going to go in with the pinky. I started to say the thumbnail. And I want this kitty right here. I need to quit hanging over. You don't need to see my mug. I want this kitty right here. It's a really pretty one. Oh, Lord. We're going to mix this up and put it in a different place. I really like this kitty here. I really, really do. It's nice, cute, maybe a little bit sassy, and I don't mean my girl sassy. Like a sissy cat. Oh, beautiful pickup. Beautiful pickup. I don't know if you can see this. Beautiful, stunning image. So now let me line this sissy cat up. And there she is. There's my little sassy cat. That is so funny. So funny. But Sassy does like cats. She's a kitty person. Middle finger, okay. I think the middle finger, I'm going to do this kitty right here. Here, kitty, kitty. Maybe we should do him in the brown. Yeah. Ooh, him in the brown, yeah. That's the ticket. Now, stamping to me is the easiest thing in the world. You just slightly roll over your stamper over the image. You lightly scrape. You don't have to press down. If you're pressing down hard, you're going to be wearing down on the image, which means you're going to leave a bald spot in your image. Oh my God, look how sweet is that? Oh my God, it makes me want that kitty. Here, kitty, kitty. Oh, I am going to do some watercolor around them as well. So that's my plan anyways. Alright, we are going to take where it says, "You must be kidding me, meow." I'm going to put that on top of the middle nail. And then I think I'm going to put a glow kitty underneath it. Take off the excess. Put this at the top. You've got to be kidding me right now. Hope you can see it. It's really cute. Then I'm going to put the Glow Kitty in the clear and the glow-in-the-dark polish, or the glow-in-the-dark powder below it. So, let me move this. Oh, yes, I do need this one back. Hello, Fred. Hello, Fred. Hello, Fred. So I gotta take off the stuff below it. And hope that I can see this kitty. Oh, I think I missed part of his face. Oh, dear Lord, George. I think I've got half a kitty's face. Oh, Lordy. So I'm gonna tap, tap, tap with the powder. This is the glow-in-the-dark powder. Just tap, tap, tap. Get the side because I don't know where his face is. And if you don't feel any stickiness anywhere, rub this in. Tap, tap, tap. Get my fluffy brush. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me, please, piggy. Excuse me. He's a little sticky. I wonder if I can go in with the jet black sparkling glitter over him. It's way too much. Tap, tap, tap. Push it into the crevices. Oh, he's so cute. I was going to put a bow up that was a pink kitty, but this is definitely a little boy kitty, I think. And now he sparkles. I don't know if you can tell, but he does. Let me wipe off the Glow Kitty. So now I need to add some top coat, maybe some bling. Let me clean my mess up just a tad bit. Just a wee bit. I am going to add a butterfly onto this kitty here. Kind of undecided what color. I do know what color. Ooh. This multicolored butterfly right there. I'm going to be using the SheModern Jelly Clear Satin Polish on all my nails. It's better for taking pictures, Tina says, so that's what we're going to go with. I'm going to top coat them all first and come back and put the butterfly on his. Now, if you were using a lacquer instead of gel, I use gel here, you need a sealer after stamping. It needs to be water-based, I do believe, right, Jill? Jill from Never Naked Nail Art. Never Naked Nails Nail Art. Her name is Jill. She does lacquer, so if you ever have questions about the lacquer, she's the go-to. I do gel, so I guess you'd call me the go-to. Me, Sassy. Oh, snap. I should have put the sparkling glitter on these kitties, too. Oh, oh. Oh, wow. That really sucks. Coulda, woulda, coulda, shoulda. Now, I want to put the butterfly over here. I'm going to put one little bling on top of the kitty. Prefer the princess kitty. So I'm going to pop these puppies in the lamp. Oh, I called the kitties puppies. How funny is that? I'm going to give them a full 60-second cure, and we'll be right back. Okay, we are back. We are fresh out of the lamp. As you see, I only have a partial glow kitty. I mean, we can see them. Let me see if I can get a little bit closer to you. It's not a good stamping because I couldn't see it's clear, but I did my best. I think it's kind of cool though, kind of cool. So, now that we are finito with our manicure, and it does look like there's nothing there, but here, kitty, you know, it says you must be kidding me, meow. Which means you must be kidding me now. Anyways. Turned out very cute. I'm loving it. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts are about my Here Kitty Kitty. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell. That way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, and anything important that may come across my desk. Like, we have the giveaway going on. I'll be drawing on the 15th of September, October 1st. 15th of October, and so on until we get to January, and I've given away all of the sticky stamping polish sets. It is open to everyone worldwide. Go watch the video, go find it from last Saturday, and follow all the rules. Make sure you watch it all because the rules are not written in the box. You have to watch the video and listen. Have a blessed day, and thank you.